Modi's vision and 5G network on October 6, 2023. Indian Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw spoke about the country's progress towards developing an end-to-end 5G telephone network. He said that India is one of the few countries in the world that has the capability to develop and deploy its own 5G network. An end-to-end 5G telephone network is a network that is designed and built entirely in India using indigenous hardware and software. This is in contrast to many other countries which are using 5G equipment from foreign vendors. India has a number of advantages in developing its own 5G network. First, the country has a strong IT sector and a growing ecosystem of 5G startups. Second, the Indian government is investing heavily in 5G research and development. Third, India has a large domestic market for 5G services. There are a number of benefits to having an end-to-end 5G telephone network. First, it would give India greater control over its own data and security. Second, it would boost the Indian economy by creating jobs and new businesses. Third, it would make India a more attractive destination for foreign investment. Minister Vaishnaw said that India is on track to launch its end-to-end 5G network by the end of 2023. He also said that the government is working to make 5G services affordable and accessible to everyone. Here are some of the specific ways in which India is developing its end-to-end 5G telephone network. The Indian government has established a 5G test bed at the Center for Development of Telematics, CDOT. This test bed is being used to test and develop indigenous 5G equipment and software. The government has also launched a 5G Innovation Fund to support Indian startups that are developing 5G products and services. The government is working with Indian telecom operators to deploy 5G networks access across the country. A number of Indian companies are also developing 5G equipment and software. For example, CDOT has developed a 5G core network. Tejas Networks has developed 5G radio equipment. VVDN Technologies has developed 5G user equipment. The development of an end-to-end 5G telephone network is a major achievement for India. It shows that the country is capable of developing and deploying its own cutting-edge technology. It also sends a strong message to the world that India is a major player in the global 5G market. Here are some of the potential benefits of an end-to-end 5G telephone network for India. Economic benefits. The development and deployment of an end-to-end 5G network is expected to create millions of jobs in India. It will also boost the Indian economy by creating new businesses and opportunities. Social benefits. 5G will enable the development of new social services in India, such as e-health, e-education and e-governance. It will also improve access to information and communication technology for people in rural areas. Security benefits. An end-to-end 5G network will give India greater control over its own data and security. This is important in context of the growing threat of cyber attacks. Overall, the development of an end-to-end 5G telephone network is a positive step for India. It has the potential to boost the Indian economy, improve the lives of Indians, and enhance India's security. Well, this was it for today. For more such videos, stay tuned with Uday India.